my expectation is of that nature, that we're gonna do some wonderful things. This room looks so darn good and it feels so good, and the expectation that we have in this room exceeds all thoughts that I think some of you have ever had. I don't know how many of you have actually won in your life. I know many of you have, but we're gonna exceed those expectations you have of winning. We're gonna go through and you're gonna meet everybody today. We're gonna try to do this expeditiously as possible, but we're gonna get it right. It's not about how fast you go. Let's get it right.
Welcome to a journey unlike any other. A journey that challenges the very essence of who you are and who you aim to be. Today, we dive deep into the realms of exceeding expectations and winning. Not just as individuals, but together, united in our goals, dreams, and aspirations. Have you ever wondered what sets the exceptional apart from the ordinary? Is it talent, hard work, or perhaps something more? It's the relentless pursuit of excellence, the burning desire to exceed expectations, and the unyielding will to turn dreams into reality. But remember, the path to greatness is seldom walked alone. Consider the story of a young athlete, faced with adversity from every direction, doubted by many, supported by few. Yet, within him burned a fire fueled not just by the desire to prove others wrong, but to elevate those around him. His journey was not just about personal records or accolades. It was about lifting his team, inspiring his community, and changing the narrative from I can to we can. What makes a team more than just a collection of individuals? It's the shared vision, the collective effort, and the mutual respect that binds them. It's about understanding that every member brings something unique to the table, and that together, they can achieve what seemed impossible. Imagine the power of a group of individuals, each with their own strengths and weaknesses, coming together with a common purpose. It's like a symphony, where every instrument plays a crucial role, and when played in harmony, creates a masterpiece. That's the essence of achieving more together. But how do we build such a team? How do we create an environment where everyone feels valued, where every contribution is celebrated, and every setback is seen as a learning opportunity? It starts with leadership. A leader who sees the potential in every team member, who encourages, motivates, and challenges. A leader who leads by example, who sets the bar high and inspires others to reach for it. Now, think about your own life. Are you part of a team, a community, a family? Do you see the potential in those around you? Do you encourage, support, and uplift? Remember, the strongest teams are built on the foundation of trust, respect, and mutual support. But it's not just about building a strong team. It's about facing challenges together. Every team, no matter how talented, will face obstacles. It's during these times that the true strength of a team is tested. Do they crumble under pressure, or do they come together, stronger and more determined? The greatest victories are often preceded by the greatest challenges. Let's not forget the importance of setting goals. Not just individual goals, but team goals. Goals that challenge, inspire, and motivate. Goals that are clear, achievable, and measurable. And as you work towards these goals, celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Remember, every step forward is a step closer to your ultimate goal. But what about when things don't go as planned? When despite your best efforts, you fall short? It's in these moments that the true character of a team is revealed. Do you point fingers, assign blame, or do you regroup, reassess, and push forward? The path to success is paved with failures, but it's how you respond to these failures that defines you. As we reach the end of our journey today, remember that exceeding expectations and winning is not just about crossing the finish line first. It's about the journey, the growth, the lessons learned, and the lives touched along the way. It's about achieving more together, as a team, as a community, as a family. So ask yourself, how can you exceed your own expectations? How can you contribute to the success of your team, your community, your family? Remember, together, we are unstoppable. We hope this journey has inspired you, motivated you, and challenged you to think differently about success, teamwork, and leadership. If you found value in today's message, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. And before we go, we have one question for you to ponder and share your thoughts on in the comments. What personal or team goal are you working towards, and how are you contributing to its achievement? Together, let's exceed expectations and win, not just for ourselves, but for each other. Thank you for joining us on this journey.